for drum applications, try to get the reflections removed, which is a drum shield. Reflections are going to all make all the mics respond the same way. I've done recordings where I have a drum set in a closure, and I ask the people to tell me which microphone I'm soloing. They can't tell because when all the drums hit, they're reflecting off the plexi 3 feet away and coming back into all the mics at different times. It's a mess. You take the shield off and everybody can tell me exactly what drum I'm soloing after that.
Wow.
So what I say is if you're in a small church, use a small kit, get rid of the shield. That'll help. Have drums that are for projection, have them more for tone. Smaller kits. You know, I don't really like the Blastics and the hot rods and that stuff. But get a drummer who can play with a small kit. Joey Parrish, who plays with Shane and Shane a lot, he makes a little kit called the Parrish drums, and they're unbelievable. They use them at Watermark. Jenny Riddle, who wrote a bunch of songs, songwriter. She's got a studio. She's got one in her studio. They're amazing for small churches. Without using electronic drums, nobody wants to play little 8-inch rubber pads, right? Just give me a real drum set. But you don't want it to be overpowering for the room. So when they do the stupid thing, they put a plexiglass shield in front of them. Would you put a PA in a gymnasium and not treat the gym? So why do we put the loudest instrument in a highly reflective space like that?
Because everybody else is doing it.
It's so stupid. It's dumb. One shield I will get you, will give a recommendation for are the cymbal shields. Because you know as a fact that cymbal hash, that high frequency stuff, gets into your mics. Leave the drums alone. If you want to deflect anything, put some little round plexiglass in front of your cymbals and move that away. I'll go for that, but not putting the whole kit in a room with a windshield around it.
Yeah, that's good stuff. We use those round circular shields in front of our cymbals too, because we have a small stage, so our vocals are maybe 3 to 5 feet in front of the drums.
Right.
And it helps a lot keep those cymbals out of the vocal mics.
Mixing sound seems complicated, but it doesn't have to be. Get access to our stress-free training to help you create great sound at church by visiting churchsoundmadesimple.com.